Gracias. One day, I was just walking down the downtown, and I get to this place I used to call farmers market, and it is called Mercado Hidalgo. Other than fruit and vegetable in this place, there are many things to see. Therefore, I came here and film it and bring it to you guys. I was walking down to the farmer market and I found this fruit and coconuts place, and I saw there's so many people lining up, and oh, they are cutting up coconuts. That's what they do. Like, check it out. To my knowledge, those coconut juice and coconut meat is not expensive. This coconut water plus the meats, I think it's just $2 or possibly 40 pesos. That is not that bad.
Y así que lleva extra, aquí tengo 20 pesos. Y aquí está el producto. Agárrate. ¿Qué sigue? Bueno, ya.
Gracias. And I walked down further, and I found this candy store. And this is pretty small outside, but it's huge inside. And the people are really nice to me, and they invite me to get in. And as I was walking down the candy store, it's so colorful. It's a lot of candy, and they're selling a lot of different type of piñatas. Piñatas is something like buy for the children so that they can hit the piñatas and the candy fall out. So when you have time, feel free to come down to this store. You will be surprising and have a lot of candies, and you will enjoy it. Boom. Store down the street. They have a lot of statues, Mama Mary, Jesus, and all the saints over there, and rosary, and a lot of different religious stuff. And I enjoy visiting this store. Gracias.
Un kilo, patrono.
Now, this is my first time seeing somebody cutting and cleaning up cactus, and they try to sell them. And this is interesting to me because I've never seen it anywhere else. Look at this guy. He is cutting and cleaning the cactus without wearing any glove. And he's very skillful, man. And I was amazed what he has been doing. And then I walked to another guy, and he's doing the same thing. And this guy, you can see he's wearing gloves. But he's still really good. And it's very interesting to me that what they are doing. And when I'm thinking about this, and you can see Mexican's flag, they have an eagle fighting a snake, and also at the same time standing on a cactus. Therefore, I think cactus is the part of the Mexican's life. Don't you think?
Ya me espiné igual que tú, pero ya me aguanté. Pablo, prevenido vale por dos. Ya me...
Búrlense, van a ver descarados. Pásame más nopal, niño. Pásame más nopal, por favor. ¿Manda? Pues se supone que estamos vendiendo picados. Ay, pásame grandes, son estos chiquitos. ¿A qué hora eres tú? Síguete burlando, vas a ver. A ti que te tomen un video ahorita como pelas, tú eres bien rápido pelando.
¿Ya me lo tomaron, eh?
¿Ya? ¿También? Pero yo no te hice bullying como tú me estás haciendo a mí, qué mal.
Voy a decir algo, porque tienen nopal.
Oye, nos hubieran agarrado ayer que teníamos
40 la bolsita, madre. Flash el rapidez. Le llamamos flash el rapidez.